Hi there, today I am going to show you how to create this glowing crystal using Illustrator and Photoshop. I will only use Illustrator to create the crystal shape because I find Illustrator easier. You can create the shape in Photoshop in the same process if you want. So without any further ado, let's get started. I am creating a large file of 3000 by 3500 pixels so that I can create the crystal in higher resolution. Choose any color for now. It will be easier to align the shape if you create them from center. I am making the shape in half. Select the shape and right click on it. Inside transform, select reflect. Select copy, align it with the previous shape. Now select both shape and merge together with the shape builder tool. Lock the shape by pressing Ctrl 2. I am making the rest of the shapes in the same way. Use different color for the other shapes. Now unlock everything by pressing Ctrl Alt 2. Apply different gradients to each shape as you like. Now I am drawing the highlight of the crystal. Draw highlights over the pairs of the shapes. And select a bright color. Draw more highlight as you like. Now select all the highlight shapes and group them. Then go to the filter, insert blur, add Gaussian blur. Here set the radius value to 5 and hit OK. The shape in the middle looks too green, so I am reducing the grain a little. Select all and group everything. Center line the shape. Now export the shape in PNG and bring it to the Photoshop. First, create a background so that everything can be seen clearly. Right click on the crystal layer and select Convert to a Smart Object. Take the crop tool and make the artboard large enough so that it doesn't crop when you create the glow. Again, fill the background with black. Center line the shape. Create a new layer below the shape layer and name it Glow. Take the brush tool and take a sample color from the shape, finalizing the color for the glow and hit OK. Select the soft round brush and set the brush setting like that. Set the brush size value to 3500 pixels and click in the middle of the artboard twice. Right click on the artboard change the brush setting, set the brush size to 165, reduce the brush flow to 18%, take a new layer, click here, hold shift and click here, 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 here and here. Again take sample color and select the final color. Hit OK. Select the brush tool and set the brush size to 354 pixels. Reduce the brush flow to 7. Again click here, hold shift and click here, 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 here and here. Now create a new layer on top of everything. Select the brush tool and set the brush size to 448 and click 4 times this corner. And here, 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 here and here. Set the layer blend mode to linear dodge 8. Select the shape layer and create a new layer. Right click on the artboard with the brush tool and select special effects brush. Brush download link is given in the description. Select a lighter color. Set the brush size to 400 and paint over the shape as you like. Now right click on the layer and select create clipping mask. Select the blend mode to overlay. Now select all layers and group everything. Right click on the group layer and select convert to a smart object. Press Ctrl 0 to make another copy of the layer and name it camera raw. Now save the file so that it takes less load on Photoshop. Go to the filter and select camera raw filter. Here I am doing some basic color correction. Hit OK. Look, everything is not clearly visible without a black background. For this, create a smart object with a black background so that the background can be easily removed later. Now go to the filter again, select camera raw filter. Inside masking tab, select radial gradient. Create a gradient here, something like that. From the color tab, change the hue as you like and increase the saturation a little. Increase the contrast to something like 50 because this increases the clarity. I am creating more gradient and changing colors using the same method. Now I am creating a large gradient and this time only increasing the contrast. And hit OK. Finally, crystal is ready. Save the file for use later. Now if you want, you can change or delete the black background. So that is it. Make your own color crystal using the same method. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.